Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So, how's everybody doing? Fine, I hope. And if you want to subscribe, hit the notification bell and stay tuned to every time I upload. And if you are OG, hey, and if you a newbie, welcome on in my family. So, today's video is a Birch unboxing. Let's see what I got in the mail. Okay, so this is a Bobby Brown lip color. I'm not going to swatch it. If it's not a gloss, I'm really not going to swatch it because I'm not a lipstick girl. So we're just going to get into this video. This is the lip color Crush. Let's see what that looks like. Y'all see that? So what I'm going to do is actually when I give away my Aldo wallet, I'm going to put makeup goodies that I don't use in there. And this will be one of them because I'm not a lipstick girl. And I put it in the profile. So not a lipstick girl. I'm waiting on an Ipsy and a Lure box. Don't worry. We have some more unboxing videos coming. So that was the big box. This is the little box, Birchbox unboxing. This is what comes in it. This. This box is cute. I might actually keep it and give it to somebody in a gift because this box is cute. So this is the next box that we will be opening together. See, cute. So, they gave me this loyalty points. Let's see. So I have Allura Glacier, and this is Bake and Balance Brighten Foundation in Deep. I'm going to try it. So this is what it looks like. And I'll let y'all know if I like it or not. So I have some eyeshadow that's all broke up. If you can see. Yeah. Pretty color. We'll use it as an eyeshadow only because it's all broke up. Or I might just give it away. A brush. And this is all-in-one egg cream mellow, 5-in-1 firming moisturizer and hydrating. We're going to see. And this is a moisturizing cream, hydrating Orbi cream. We're just going to see. And this is a perfume called Clean Rain. And this is a sample. I will let y'all know how this is. And so this is my box. It is empty. There's nothing else in it but the makeup that fell out and the tissue paper. And like I said, I'm going to put a gift in here. So stay tuned and remember the box because you'll see it. So those were the items that I got from Birchbox. And like I said, I'll be doing a giveaway soon with a genuine black Aldo wallet. It's going to have some goodies inside for my makeup divas or divos. And y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that giveaway. And until my next video,